In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down menus in Squarespace, step-by-step tutorial. A drop-down menu lets you group related pages under one heading, keeping your navigation clean and easy to browse. It's perfect when you have several pages that belong together, like course details, shop info, or policy pages. Let's walk through exactly how to set this up. First, sign in to your Squarespace site and head to your website dashboard. From there, open the Pages panel. This is where your site's navigation lives, and it's the place where we'll create and organize the dropdown. Inside Pages, look at your main navigation area. You'll see your existing pages listed. To add a new container for your dropdown, click the Add control you see in the navigation area, then choose Dropdown. Squarespace creates a folder-style item that will hold the pages you want to group. Give the dropdown a clear name so visitors know what to expect when they open it. Now it's time to place the relevant pages into that dropdown. Find the page labeled Course and click it to select it. Then add it into the new dropdown so it appears nested underneath. If you see more than one item named Course, pick the one that belongs in your main navigation. Repeat the same action with shipping and returns, stockists, and shop, clicking each one and placing it inside the dropdown. As you do this, you'll see the items indent slightly beneath the dropdown label, which confirms they're grouped. You can reorder pages at any point to control the order they appear when someone opens the menu. Put the most important items at the top for quick access. If a title feels unclear, rename it so it's obvious to visitors what they'll find. Clarity in your labels makes a big difference in how easy your site is to navigate. A couple of quick tips. Keep dropdowns focused. Group closely related pages so visitors don't have to hunt for information. Also, avoid stacking too many levels of nesting. A single, well-organized dropdown is usually best. On mobile, Squarespace automatically collapses these items into a tap-to-expand section, so your menu stays tidy on smaller screens without any extra work. That's it. You've created a dropdown, added your pages, and organized your navigation in a way that's clean, intuitive,